Hi, hello guys, 𝗦𝗬𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠😅 Excellent Slides here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, I will teach you how to crop an image to a perfect square, so 1:1 proportions. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see here, I have already prepared a slide and before and after effect that I would like to share with you. So as you can see, this is our original photo and this is our photo after editing. And as you can see, this is just an image of a smartwatch. Here there is a screen, but also here, instead of this default screen of this smartwatch, we inserted our own image, and of course we cropped it to a perfect square. So yeah, let's start. So let's create a new slide. The first step is to insert the photo. So let's do it. Alright, so the next thing is our image. So yeah, this is an image right here, as you can see. And there are two ways to crop an image to perfect square. The first thing is to go into picture format. Right here you have crop options and you need to click on this drop down arrow. As you can see here, you have some more options, but we will take aspect ratio 1:1. That's perfect. And as you can see right now, it appears as just a square. So if you would like a circle, an oval, you also, once more, you need to go to the drop down arrow, crop to shape, and right here you have plenty of shapes that the photo can be cropped in, but we will take oval, just an oval. And as you can see, that's all. Our photo is cropped. Of course, you can click here to crop, and you can change the position, like here. But let's place it as default. Alright, so now of course we can resize it, and let's match the size to the screen. Alright, you don't have to be absolutely perfect. Yeah, we are nearly there. I think that's perfect. You can of course use your arrows on your keyboard if you would like to be more precise. Yeah, and actually that's all, but as you can see here, I also added something. This on the top left corner of this oval, there is some black space. And actually this is just a shadow, but this is internal shadow. And I will show you right now how to make it. So you need to right click and format picture. That's perfect. Right here you have shadow option, so click here, and here you have some presets. And like I said you before, we need inner shadow, so select this, the first one, and actually as you can see, shadow is applied. Of course, right here you can change some things like let's set blur to maybe 17, transparency maybe 10%, and distance let's increase it a little bit. Yeah, I think 14 is fine. Let's preview it, and actually it looks like this photo is original, right? You know, it was really easy to crop this image to 1:1 circle, but if you didn't know about it, now you know. I just wanted to share this quick tip with you. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please like this video below. If you have any questions, just post a comment and I will make sure to respond to your question. Subscribe to our channel, and also you can turn on the notification bell, and by doing it you will not miss any of our future videos. Once more, thank you guys for watching, have a great day, and lead a happy life. Excellent slides!